Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new video, a brand new review. My name is Elliot Page. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new pair of shoes. Today we're taking a look at the Jordan 4 Metallic Red. You will notice that the box is different. So you're getting this kind of white glossy box with, of course, that Jumpman logo in the red coming in, the metallic red. So it is definitely got a shine to it. I don't know how well you can pick that up. You've got another one on the corner. Here we go, the Jordan 4 Metallic Red. So the Jordan 4 Metallic Red released as part of a pack of 4 different colorways, and that was actually region based. So of course we've got this, the red, we've got the purple, we've got the green, and we've got the orange. So the purple colorway, or the purple variant, that was a US exclusive and released, I think, a couple weeks back. And then we've got the orange and the green, which I'm not actually too sure. It's Asia and Africa, something like that. And I don't even know if they've released yet. But then we come to the red one, and this one just released June the 20th for a retail price of $190 or £165 if you're here in the UK. Now, luckily for me, this is by far my favorite out of the 4 colorways. I think this is clean. I mean, I am a sucker for all white sneakers, and especially with this little red detailing, it just, for me, this is almost perfect. Now this Jordan 4 pack, obviously the 4 colorways, it was actually based on a Jordan 1 metallic pack. That Jordan 1 pack coming in the exact same colors, the base of a white with obviously the additional red, purple, green, or orange accents. The majority of this sneaker comes in white tumbled leather, of course, with the red accents all over. Starting off on the toe, again, this is where you're finding that white tumbled leather. It feels really nice, really soft, good leather material, and that pretty much carries out throughout the sneaker. Moving up, you immediately start finding that plastic or rubber mesh material that's pretty signature to all Jordan 4s. You also find that on the lateral and the medial portion of the sneaker. Now, just above that meshing that you find, you've got the laces. This is just a solid pair of flat style laces. You don't get any extra colors, which I think is fine. I personally am happy with the white. I wouldn't, even if they gave me a red pair of laces, I would stick to the white. Now, around these laces, you have the first introduction to where you find this metallic red, and that is on the eyelets. So the metallic red eyelets that you get on this sneaker are made of plastic. However, because of that metallic color, it definitely makes them look metal. Moving up to the tongue, you've got a little bit of a different feeling leather, which is a little bit softer. I'd say it's just a little bit more kind of synthetic feeling. And of course, you get the red Jumpman logo and Flight underneath on this patch. Now, the reverse of the tongue comes in a very soft padded red color, and you obviously have that Air Jordan patch, which is upside down. And of course, you have the Jordan 4 signature, I don't actually know what you call this. This piece here, right? Signature to the Jordan 4. Now this comes in leather instead of plastic, or rubber, which you would normally find, which again, just kind of makes it feel a little bit different and a little bit more premium. Now moving to the back of the shoe, again, you have that signature Jordan 4 pull tab, which is again in that same leather material that you find on the tongue and around the ankle area. Just underneath that, you have the Jumpman logo in that same plastic metallic red that you find on the eyelets of the sneaker. Now the midsole stays pretty clean in just solid white. The outsole again stays pretty simple, pretty clean. It is solid white. However, you do have a red Jumpman logo and a little red patch up towards the toes. All in all, I think all of the colorways out of this pack are super clean. I would pretty much take any colorway. The purple, the green, the orange, they're all pretty much solid white Jordan 4s, really nice material, and of course, just a tiny little hit of color. I feel like red is just a nicer color in my opinion. Now, of course, that's completely subjective and entirely down to your preference of what color you prefer. However, I feel like red and Jordan just go together. Now, as for sizing and fit, the Jordan 4 metallic red fits me true to size, and that's my personal recommendation. Unless you've tried on any other Jordan 4, it's gonna fit the exact same, and somehow that is a little bit different for you. It very well could be. However, true to size, that's all I can say, and that's my recommendation. Now, comfortability is, Jordan 4, it's for me, it's nice and comfortable, very well padded. I kind of like the fact that this has a softer leather around the ankle area, but that is pretty much it for the video. Let me know which out of the 4 colors would you take, or how are you feeling this red colorway? Either way, thank you so much for liking, commenting, subscribing. I do appreciate the support massively. I will catch you in the next video, but until then.